Hi, Akshay.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department. It's just a feedback interview, Akshay. We'll start up.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Akshay?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Akshay Kumar from Raichur. I have completed my civil engineering in 2021 in SLN College of Engineering, Raichur.
Okay. How did you get to know CMTI?
My friends refer me, ma'am.
Okay. What and all you learned in CMTI, Akshay? The courses, syllabus, content and all?
I have learnt about construction and interiors. In construction, study of drawing sequence of construction, methodology, bar bending schedule, BOQ, and coming to interiors, I have learnt about quality check and cut list. And coming to softwares, they taught us SketchUp, AutoCAD, Primavera, and MSP, and all.
Okay. Okay, Akshay. Then, how was the trainers during the courses and all? How was their approach during the courses and the site visits also?
Yeah, ma'am. Trainers were very coordinative. Natrajan sir taught us about complete construction things, and also Abhilash sir taught us about cut list, which is actually helped me in technical round. And site visits are very useful. Knowing things practically helps to understand the concept easily, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Akshay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is good, ma'am. It helped me when I missed the classes, and it is easy to use, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about your interview process? How many rounds of interview was there? How did you crack the interview, first of all?
So, cracking interview, I mean, before coming to this institute, my confidence level was very low, but here they helped me a lot, and then I'm able to crack the interview, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Then how was the coordination of CMTI staff during the placements and all?
Yeah, ma'am, very coordinative, very helpful, ma'am. They helped
Okay.
me a lot.
What do you want to? Yeah, yeah, Akshay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Some of my friends started calling me, ma'am, after my placements and all, and I will refer, ma'am, which I hope
Okay.
they will join this institute and learn, which is useful.
Okay, Akshay. Thanks for your feedback and congrats once again for your placements and all the best for your future.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.